Hey guys, it's Kate here from Eye of Horus, and today I'm going to show you a really quick, easy look that I've been doing when I don't want to do too much effort and time into my makeup. I just want to use 3 products and that's my face done. So I'm starting my look with the Brow Fiber. This is like a brow mascara. It's got fibers within it as its name, and they attach to your brows and make them look instantly fuller. So get my fringe out of the way and I'll show you. So just, as you can see, it fills in the gap that I had there. And grooms the brows into place. And you can even use it, press it a little bit on the skin to extend the brow tail. So that's the difference. No brow fiber, brow fiber. And moving on to lashes. So always using my trusty Goddess mascara. It's, as you may know, smudge proof and waterproof, and that's my favorite thing about it. But I find it gives a really nice natural lash. Just with one coat. You can do a bit on the bottom. And I'm going to go in with a second coat on the lashes. Quite the difference there. So I've gone in and done the other side, and lastly the Biolip Elixir for my lips. I'm always wearing this every day. It feels amazing on. I can't not have it on. And it was award winning in the beauty shortlist this year for best lip innovative product. So it is 100% natural and it just gives this gorgeous result, as you'll see. It's not sticky. It's infused with 9 different oils and butters, so that's what gives it that creamy, oily feel. So if you love that sort of feel, I would go for this. It's not your typical lip gloss. And that's my final easy everyday look using these 3 products. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend it. Out of the whole range, these are probably my 3 favorite. Bye guys.